This beautiful golden pasta is actually sweet golden egg threads. Created in a monastery, you only need 4 things: eggs, sugar, water, and this weird funnel. You need several bowls because now we have to extract the royal yolk. First, you separate the egg whites from the yolk. I used to put all the yolks into the sieve. I would pierce them and just give some time to allow the royal yolk to go through the sieve. Now I am holding the yolk like you can see here, and then I pierce it, and you can use a little fork or toothpick, and then I discard the membrane, and that's your royal yolk. Now let me do a few more times so you can take a look at the details. Don't forget that I am saving all of the egg whites, and I'm going to make another recipe, and you can use it in FIOS, and it is such a good recipe as well. Please follow the link above. If you have any questions, please don't forget to write in comments or in the community. I'm always happy to answer all of them. Please let me thank you already so much for your wonderful subscriptions, likes, and comments. It means the world to us, and it helps the channel to grow. Of course, I always super wash my hands and everything that is around, and I think it's just very safe and natural to use your hands. It is the best. When I crack the eggs and there's a little bit of egg yolk that drops into the egg whites, I will discard that egg, just for another recipe, because then I will not be able to whisk the egg whites into a meringue. And voila, the royal yolk, and will not scrape the sieve because it still has parts of the membrane. We use the royal yolk for several recipes, and once you take the membrane out, the recipe won't have the strong egg smell. And of course, that the main purpose is to have a thinner liquid. I will not throw away the membranes, and I will use it for a little scrambled eggs, and I will fry it just for a little snack. On the stove, we're going to make the syrup now. The ratio we use is for 1 kilo of sugar, 1 cup of water. Now we need to reach a certain stage of the sugar, and we want it to open on a plate or create a pearl. We're going to show you. Now I'm pouring the royal yolk into the special sieve. Mom tests the syrup, and she says it should feel like velvet in your mouth. Mom always checks the sugar on this plate because the transparency helps to see the sugar stage. My mother is going to pass the finger through the drops of sugar, and if the borders will not connect, that means that sugar is ready.
Não. Faz estrada já.
Já faz, já está?
Já. Já faz estrada.
Free translation, we say the road stage. The sugar doesn't connect and it makes a little road, so we're ready. Now the royal yolk will be cooked in the syrup. They get a beautiful shiny look and amazing taste. For this recipe, it's essential to have the special funnel, and I have a giveaway. And to receive this giveaway, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, comment, subscribe on Instagram, and send a message on why would you like to receive it. We will get in contact and I will send it to you. We'll give you all the details in description. So we have the long threads of the sweet egg threads. We have to do circular motions of the funnel around the pot. The more you practice, the better it gets. You're going to see how easy it is. You just have to practice. Keep practicing. I'm going to transfer the sweet egg threads to a cooling rack, and if the syrup starts to thicken, I will add a few splashes of water with my hand. I am using the fork to transfer the sweet egg threads to the cooling rack, and then I'm going to use the skimmer. It's faster and much more efficient. I always wonder, what a blessing that someone ever thought about this recipe. What a miracle. What a beautiful garnish, and so versatile. You can use it for dessert or even for a savory dish. This makes everything prettier. You know I like to keep it simple, so here it is, presented and served with love and beautiful flavors. Enjoy! Here's a funnel. There are different variations, and this one probably is used for bigger quantities. Hope you enter the giveaway, and I just can wish you the biggest blessings, and thank you for being a Gabrielian. I love your support. I always have little things that don't go exactly according to plan, and well, I just learn how to laugh with it. I hope you laugh with me. This video was made only with kitchen sounds.